Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and tricks to achieve financial freedom and live your dream life. In today's video, I'm going to reveal to you the 8 assets that make a person rich, according to Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. If you don't know who Robert Kiyosaki is, he is one of the most influential and successful financial educators in the world. He has written over 20 books, including the best-selling Rich Dad Poor Dad, which has sold over 40 million copies worldwide. He is also a successful entrepreneur, investor, and speaker who has created multiple streams of income and wealth through his businesses: real estate, paper assets, commodities, cryptocurrency, intellectual property, network marketing, and self-education. He is the master of the cash flow quadrant, which is a concept that explains how different types of people earn money and pay taxes. The cash flow quadrant consists of 4 categories: E for employee, S for self-employed, B for business owner, and I for investor. Robert Kiyosaki teaches that if you want to be rich, you need to move from the left side of the quadrant E and S to the right side of the quadrant B and I, where you can leverage other people's time and money to create passive income and wealth. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that by building or acquiring the 8 assets that make a person rich. These are not just any assets. These are assets that generate cash flow, appreciate in value, provide tax benefits, and protect you from inflation and currency devaluation. These are assets that will make you financially free and independent. Are you ready to learn what they are? Let's get started. Asset 1. Business. The first asset that makes a person rich is business. A business is an entity that sells products or services to customers in exchange for money. A business can be anything from a small online store to a large corporation. The key is to create a business that can run without you, or with minimal involvement from you. This way, you can enjoy passive income and have more time to do what you love. Robert Kiyosaki has created or invested in many successful businesses over the years, such as his Rich Dad company, which provides financial education products and services, his real estate ventures, which include hotels, golf courses, apartment buildings, etc., and his oil wells, which produce oil and gas royalties. He also advises people to start their own businesses or join network marketing businesses, which are low-cost and low-risk ways to learn business skills and build a network of customers and distributors. Of course, starting and running a business is not easy. It requires hard work, dedication, creativity, problem-solving skills, leadership skills, and risk-taking abilities. You also need to have a clear vision, a unique value proposition, a competitive advantage, a target market, a marketing strategy, a sales strategy, a financial plan, and a team of experts and advisors. But don't worry, if you're serious about building a business, you can learn all these skills and more through self-education, which I'll talk about later. Asset 2. Real estate. The second asset that makes a person rich is real estate. Real estate is property that consists of land and buildings. Real estate can be used for residential, commercial, industrial, or agricultural purposes. Real estate can provide cash flow, appreciation, leverage, and tax advantages. Cash flow is the income that you receive from renting out your property to tenants or users. Appreciation is the increase in value of your property over time due to market conditions or improvements. Leverage is the ability to use other people's money, such as bank loans, to buy more property with less of your own money. Tax advantages are the benefits that you get from deducting your expenses, such as mortgage interest, depreciation, maintenance, etc., from your income taxes. Robert Kiyosaki is a big fan of real estate investing. He started his real estate journey by buying his first rental property in Hawaii for $18,000 with $2,000 down payment. Since then, he has accumulated hundreds of properties around the world, including single-family homes, apartments, condos, office buildings, shopping centers, hotels, golf courses, etc. He also teaches people how to invest in real estate through his books, seminars, and online courses. He believes that real estate is one of the best ways to create passive income and wealth in any economy. However, real estate investing is not without challenges and risks. You need to do your due diligence before buying any property, such as researching the location, the market conditions, the cash flow analysis, the financing options, the legal issues, etc. You also need to manage your properties well, such as finding and screening tenants, collecting rents, handling repairs and maintenance, dealing with vacancies and evictions, etc. Or you can hire a property manager to do these tasks for you, but that will cost you some money too. You also need to be aware of the market cycles and trends, and be prepared for any changes or disruptions that may affect your properties. Asset 3. Paper assets. The third asset that makes a person rich is paper assets. Paper assets are financial instruments that represent ownership or debt of an entity. Paper assets include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, etc. Paper assets can offer diversification, liquidity, and growth potential. Diversification is the strategy of spreading your money across different types of investments to reduce your risk and increase your returns. Liquidity is the ease of converting your investments into cash without losing much value. Growth potential is the possibility of increasing the value of your investments over time due to the performance of the underlying entity or the market demand. Robert Kiyosaki has invested in or recommended various paper assets over the years, such as index funds, which are collections of stocks that track the performance of a market index such as the S&P 500, gold and silver mining stocks, which are shares of companies that explore, extract, and sell precious metals. He believes that paper assets can provide passive income and capital gains, as well as hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. However, paper assets also have some disadvantages, such as volatility, fees, inflation, etc. Volatility is the degree of variation in the price of an investment over time due to market fluctuations or external factors. Fees are the charges that you pay to buy, sell, or hold an investment, such as commissions, management fees, expense ratios, etc. Inflation is the general increase in the prices of goods and services over time, which reduces the purchasing power of your money. You need to be aware of these factors and choose your paper assets wisely, based on your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment goals. Asset 4. Commodities. The fourth asset that makes a person rich is commodities. Commodities are raw materials or natural resources that are traded on exchanges or markets. Commodities include gold, silver, oil, gas, copper, wheat, corn, etc. Commodities can hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. A hedge is a protection or insurance against a negative event or outcome. Inflation and currency devaluation are negative events that erode the value of your money and your assets. Commodities can protect you from these events because they tend to increase in value when the demand for them rises or when the supply of them falls. Robert Kiyosaki has invested in or recommended various commodities over the years, such as gold and silver, which are precious metals that have been used as money and store of value for thousands of years. Oil and gas, which are fossil fuels that power most of the world's transportation and industry. He believes that commodities are essential for preserving your wealth and preparing for any economic crisis or collapse. However, commodities also have some drawbacks, such as supply and demand, storage costs, speculation, etc. Supply and demand are the forces that determine the price of a commodity based on how much of it is available and how much of it is wanted by buyers and sellers. Storage costs are the expenses that you incur to keep your commodities safe and secure until you sell them or use them. Speculation is the activity of buying or selling commodities based on expectations or predictions of future price movements rather than actual needs or uses. You need to be careful of these factors and monitor your commodities closely, as they can affect your returns and risks. Asset 5. Cryptocurrency. The fifth asset that makes a person rich is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and control its creation. Cryptography is a method of encoding and decoding information using mathematical techniques and algorithms. Cryptocurrency can offer decentralization, security, and innovation. Decentralization is the feature that allows cryptocurrency to operate without any central authority or intermediary, such as a government or a bank. Security is the feature that protects cryptocurrency from fraud, theft, or manipulation by using encryption keys and digital signatures. Innovation is the feature that enables cryptocurrency to introduce new technologies and solutions for various problems and challenges in the world. Robert Kiyosaki has invested in or recommended various cryptocurrencies over the years, such as Bitcoin, which is the first and most popular cryptocurrency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum, which is the second largest cryptocurrency that was launched in 2015 by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin, and Dogecoin, which is a meme-inspired cryptocurrency that was created in 2013 as a joke by two software engineers named Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. He believes that cryptocurrency is the future of money and a revolution in the financial system. However, cryptocurrency also has some challenges and risks, such as regulation, adoption, scalability, etc. Regulation is the rules and laws that govern the use and trade of cryptocurrency by authorities and institutions, such as governments, central banks, tax agencies, etc. Adoption is the acceptance and usage of cryptocurrency by individuals, businesses, and organizations around the world. Scalability is the ability of cryptocurrency to handle a large number of transactions and users without compromising its speed, security, or cost. You need to be aware of these factors and do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Asset 6. Intellectual property. The sixth asset that makes a person rich is intellectual property. Intellectual property is the creation or acquisition of intangible assets that have value and can be protected by law. Intellectual property includes books, patents, trademarks, etc. Intellectual property can generate royalty income and brand recognition. Royalty income is the money that you receive from licensing or selling your intellectual property to others who want to use it or benefit from it. Brand recognition is the awareness and reputation that your intellectual property creates for you or your business in the market. Robert Kiyosaki has created or acquired various intellectual properties over the years, such as his books, which include Rich Dad, Poor Dad and its sequels, spin-offs, and additions. His patents, which include a nylon and Velcro wallet that he invented and sold in the 1980s. His trademarks, which include his Rich Dad brand name and logo. And his board game, which is called Cash Flow and teaches people how to manage their money and invest in assets. He believes that intellectual property is one of the best ways to create passive income and wealth by sharing your knowledge, ideas, or inventions with the world. However, creating or acquiring intellectual property is not easy. It requires research, development, innovation, creativity, writing skills, legal skills, licensing skills, marketing skills, etc. You also need to protect your intellectual property from infringement, piracy, or plagiarism by registering it with the appropriate authorities and enforcing your rights. Asset 7. Network marketing. The seventh asset that makes a person rich is network marketing. Network marketing is a business model that involves selling products or services directly to customers through a network of independent distributors or representatives. Network marketing can provide residual income and personal development. Residual income is the money that you earn from the sales of your network members who join the business under you or through you. Personal development is the improvement of your skills, knowledge, attitude, mindset, habits, etc. through training, coaching, mentoring, etc. provided by your network marketing company or leaders. Robert Kiyosaki has joined or endorsed various network marketing businesses over the years, such as Amway, which is one of the largest and oldest network marketing companies in the world that sells health, beauty, and home care products. Shango, which is a network marketing company that sells juice products made from mangosteen fruit. And Nu Skin, which is a network marketing company that sells anti-aging products. He believes that network marketing is one of the best ways to learn business skills and build a network of like-minded people who can support you and help you grow. However, network marketing also has some pros and cons, such as compensation plan, product quality, training system, etc. Compensation plan is the structure and rules that determine how much money you can make from your sales and your network sales. Product quality is the standard and value of the products or services that you sell or use. Training system is the program and resources that help you learn and improve your skills and knowledge. You need to evaluate these factors carefully before joining any network marketing business. Asset 8. Self-education. The eighth and final asset that makes a person rich is self-education. Self-education is the process of learning new things by yourself without relying on formal institutions or teachers. Self-education can increase your knowledge and skills and open new opportunities for you. Robert Kiyosaki has invested in self-education throughout his life. He has read hundreds of books on various topics, such as finance, business, investing, psychology, philosophy, history, etc. He has attended seminars and workshops led by experts and mentors, such as Tony Robbins, who is a motivational speaker and life coach, Jim Rohn, who was a personal development guru and author, and Buckminster Fuller, who was an inventor and visionary. He has taken courses and programs online or offline that teach him new skills and strategies. He believes that self-education is the key to success and happiness in life. He says that the most important skill that you can learn is how to learn. He says that the more you learn, the more you earn. He says that formal education will make you a living, but self-education will make you a fortune. However, self-education is not easy. It requires curiosity, discipline, motivation, action, feedback, etc. You need to have a clear goal, a plan, a schedule, a source, a method, and a measure for your self-education. You also need to be open-minded, humble, and willing to learn from anyone and anything. So there you have it, the 8 assets that make a person rich, according to Robert Kiyosaki. These are the assets that will help you move from the left side of the cash flow quadrant T and S to the right side of the cash flow quadrant B and I, where you can enjoy passive income and wealth. These are the assets that will make you financially free and independent. These are the assets that will make you rich. But remember, these assets are not magic bullets or get-rich-quick schemes. They require time, effort, money, knowledge, skills, and risk. They also require action. You can't just watch this video and expect to become rich overnight. You need to take action and start building or acquiring these assets today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the results. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and take action now. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.